Hi everyone. Today is Monday, November 16th, 2020. It's a cycle day 5 and good news, I do not have to do jury duty. So we will have our Google Meets at 10:15 and 1 o'clock as always using pGoshert to get in. All you're going to need for our meets today is a piece of paper and a pencil, or you could even use your whiteboard and marker if you want to. Your special is STEM again this week. So visit the Specialist Schoology course, and hopefully by Monday morning, Mr. Swords will give me an updated preview of the week, and I'll have that posted in the folder for this week. I'm going to try something different here. I'm going to hold up a sign. So I actually just did the overview. So we just did that. I'm going to move into math. And I'm going to try this because then you can go back and listen to the directions and watch the video. Sometimes I think it helps to see somebody as you're listening to directions instead of just hearing the voice. So for math today, you're working in the Module 2 Topic B Lesson 6 folder. Number 1, Lesson 6 homework assignment. You must do all the problems. Hopefully you watched the instructional video and did your problem set on Thursday. So this is a continuation of that. You will submit that to Mrs. Goshert. Number 2 is your Lesson 6 exit ticket, and that also needs to be submitted. Number 3, if you're not caught up to Module 2 Lesson 6, you should do a Zern lesson. If you are, you can work on IXL skills. I would suggest doing any of the multiplication skills or time. And number 4, happy numbers. You should be trying to work on this for 45 minutes a week, which would be 15 minutes 3 times a week. And you can keep track of that yourself. Next is ELA. Number 1 is the Unit 1 assessment. We are finishing up Unit 1, The Wind in the Willows. It's in the ELA folder. Take your time and do it by yourself. When you're finished with that, you can do 15 minutes on the Amplify Reading app. You may work on the vocabulary or the reading K to 5. That will count towards your time. Number 3, read a book of your choice for 15 minutes to somebody at home, to yourself, to a pet, to a stuffed animal, and respond to the discussion question for My Reading November 16th, which can be found in the ELA folder. Number 4, you can complete a KidBiz article. Remember, your goal is to do 3 per week. Next is cursive. Ooh, Mrs. Goshert was practicing her cursive writing. You're going to begin Lesson 7, Day 1, and it's pages 27 and 28. That is due tomorrow on Tuesday. And last but not least is content, which is normally our social studies or science. We are not having social studies or science separate lessons this unit for reading because we're going to do so much science stuff. So every now and then we might have something additional in there, but for today we don't. And so you can enjoy a little bit of free time.